Nobody is born a winner. To be a winner, one must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. Here at MS Creative, we not only value the academics, but also our creative tendencies and cultivate it into something great which stays with you for lifetime. It is the time we give due recognition to the aptitude of our brimming students, future leaders of society. It's time for the prize distribution ceremony. For this, we would like to call upon stage Mr. Anwar Ahmed sir.
I request Kamar Jahan Miss to come backstage.
I would also like to call upon stage Muqeem Akhtar sir.
Now for the most awaited event of the evening, the prize distribution. We begin with the Academic Excellence Award for the students achieving the highest total in academics. We begin with the nursery section, Tarada Hassan, son of Tarada Saad. Siddiqui Zakwan, son of Siddiqui Muhammad Junaid. Munshi Hiba, daughter of Munshi Akif. First standard, Sheikh Sumayya, daughter of Sheikh Muhammad Saif. Second standard, Siddiqui Fatima, daughter of Siddiqui Muhammad Junaid. Third standard, Khan Abdullah, son of Khan Zubair. Audience, kindly keep clapping. Fourth standard, Khan Muhammad Hadi, son of Khan Muhammad Sajid Akhtar. Fifth standard, Ansari Zainab, daughter of Ansari Naeem Akhtar. From 6th A, Pinjari Zaid, son of Pinjari Ashfaq. 6th B, Umayya Zahida, daughter of Umayya Nasiruddin. 7th A, Shera Abdullah, son of Shera Kamran. 7th B, Siddiqui Vania, daughter of Siddiqui Asim. 8th A, Sheikh Mahad, son of Sheikh Ashfaq. 8th B, Khan Juwairiya, daughter of Khan Zubair. 9th A, Sadiq Anas, son of Sadiq Jafar. 9th B, Haq Sadia, daughter of Haq Shahidul. Outstanding in academics for the students achieving the second highest total in academics. To begin with the nursery, I call upon Mehsania Hussain. Mehsania Hussain, son of Mehsania Jabir. I request the audience to kindly applaud PP1 Khan Akib, son of Khan Zakiullah. Haq Hanzala, son of Haq Shahidul. PP2, Kachawa Iram, daughter of Kashawa Shafiq Ahmed. First standard, Asamadi Aisha, daughter of Asamadi Zubair. Second standard, Siddiqui Mushfira, son of Muhammad Hussain. Third standard, Siddiqui Alisha Bano, daughter of Siddiqui Muhammad Nasir. Fourth standard, Khan Nawed, son of Khan Ruknuddin. Fifth standard, Qazi Yasir, son of Qazi Bilal. Sixth A, Tawfiq Rahman, son of Zulfikar Ali. Sixth B, Sayyid Aisha, daughter of Sayyid Ayub. Seventh A, Kadiwal Soban, son of Kadiwal Sajid. Seventh B, Khan Falak, daughter of Khan Fardeen. Eighth A, Karedia Uzair, son of Karedia Rizwan. Eighth B, Ansari Saima, daughter of Ansari Muhammad Ibrahim. Ninth A, Siddiqui Sahil, son of Siddiqui Muhammad Rashid. Ninth B, Umaytiya Shahida, daughter of Umaytiya Nasiruddin. Now for the regularity award for students who make it to 100 point to attend the school regularly throughout the year. That is 100% attendance. From PP1, we have Siddiqui Zakwan, son of Siddiqui Muhammad Junaid. Ahmad Ibrahim, son of Ahmad Farooq. Fourth standard, Hamad, son of Muhammad Shahzad. Fifth standard, Ahmad Abu Bakr, son of Ahmad Farooq. Kalsekar Hamad, son of Kalsekar Shoaib. नीचे से ऊपर भेजो ना बच्चे, खड़े हुए बच्चे लाइन लगा के नीचे खड़ा किया, नीचे खड़े हैं बच्चे, ऊपर भेज ही नहीं रहे थे। तरबियत Next category is Tarbiyat Excellence Award for the students who have received 5 and above Tarbiyati cards in the entire academic year. Qazi Yamin, son of Qazi Rizwan. Dukka Ahmed, son of Dukka Sajid. Dukka Ahmed, son of Dukka Sajid. Sheikh Sumayya, daughter of Sheikh Muhammad Saif. Sheikh Zuhair, son of Sheikh Ejaz Ahmed. Sheikh Bushra, daughter of Sheikh Hanif. Kalsekar Hamdan, son of Kalsekar Shoaib. Sheikh Ayan, son of Sheikh Suhail. Siddiqui Fatima, daughter of Siddiqui Muhammad Junaid. Siddiqui Mushfira, daughter of Siddiqui Muhammad Hussain. Siddiqui Ayan, son of Siddiqui Aziz. Dukka Muhammad, son of Dukka Sajid. रुक जाओ. Siddiqui Alisha Banu, daughter of Siddiqui Muhammad Nasir. Chaudhry Sundus, daughter of Chaudhry Riazuddin. Umaytiya Rashida, daughter of Umaytiya Nasiruddin. Sheikh Saad, son of Sheikh Azhar Kalam. Mukhi Aiba, daughter of Mukhi Huzaifa. Khan Muhammad Hadi, son of Khan Muhammad Sajid. Damohi Muhammad Hussain, son of Damohi Rashid. Sayyid Tawab, son of Sayyid Tanveer Alam. Khan Ruban, son of Khan Kafil. Khalil. Qazi Yasir, son of Qazi Bilal. Ansari Zainab, daughter of Ansari Naeem Akhtar. Sheikh Zoya, daughter of Sheikh Abdullah. Kadiwala Sahal, son of Kadiwala Sahood. Khan Zubaid, son of Khan Ishraqullah. Celia Muhammad Zaid, son of Celia Yunus. Sayyid Aisha, daughter of Sayyid Ayub. Umaytiya Zahida, daughter of Umaytiya Nasiruddin. Shera Abdullah, son of Shera Kamran. Siddiqui Muhammad Tariq, son of Muhammad Nasir. Siddiqui Vania, daughter of Siddiqui Asim. Qazi Ayman, daughter of Qazi Mazharuddin. Siddiqui Saim, son of Siddiqui Zaid. Qazi Ammar, son of Qazi Bilal. Kadiwal Hifza, daughter of Kadiwal Javed. Mujawar Musharrat, daughter of Mujawar Harun. Siddiqui Sahil Ahmed, son of Siddiqui Muhammad Rashid. Umaytiya Shahida, daughter of Umaytiya Nasiruddin. Haq Sadia, daughter of Haq Shahidul. Beg Asim, son of Beg Alim. Sheikh Zamir, son of Sheikh Zahir. Nandolia Hafsa, daughter of Nandolia Zakaria. Karedia Munazza, daughter of Karedia Sufyan. I can't hear the applause from the audience. Kindly give them a huge round of applause. The next category is for the well-groomed award for those students who come well-dressed in proper uniform, neat hair, clipped nails, polished shoes. From nursery, Mukhi Taha, son of Mukhi Huzaifa. Sayyid Ahmad Raza, son of Muhammad Rafiq. Khan Amina, daughter of Khan Mohsin. Munshi Hiba, daughter of Munshi Akif. Khan Anaya, daughter of Khan Ayub. Kalsekar Hamad, son of Kalsekar Shoaib. Tuba, daughter of Muhammad Shahzad.
All the credit goes to the parents. Mashallah.
Kalsekar Hamad, son of Kalsekar Shoaib. Khan Rafia, daughter of Khan Nizamuddin. एक सेकंड. Sheikh Alia, daughter of Sheikh Shoaib. Parker Zikra, daughter of Parker Sahir. Sheikh Abdullah, son of Sheikh Ashfaq. Sayyid Kulsum, daughter of Sayyid Waris. Asamadi Abdul Rahman, son of Asamadi Zubair. Mukhi Aiba, daughter of Mukhi Huzaifa. Chunawala Iba, daughter of Chunawala Tariq. Popachar Sheen, daughter of Muhammad Aslam. Qazi Yasir, son of Qazi Bilal. Haq Toha, son of Haq Shahidul. Kadiwal Sahel, son of Kadiwal Sahud. Arodia Anam, daughter of Arodia Imran. Mullah Yusuf, son of Mullah Muhammad Ismail. Shera Abdullah, son of Shera Kamran. Aga Khudaija, daughter of Aga Sarfaraz. Karedia Uzair, son of Karedia Rizwan. Sayyid Hamad, son of Dr. Azimuddin. Mukhi Anam, daughter of Mukhi Inayatullah. Kadiwal Hifza, daughter of Kadiwal Javed. Siddiqui Sahil, son of Siddiq Muhammad Rafiq. Now, for the most exuberant house captain for a student in the entire school who is proactive, regular, social, positive in attitude, has team spirit, and shows visible improvement in the house. It goes to Mewa Suleiman, son of Mewa Altaf. Give him a huge round of applause, audience.
And please wish him for a grand success in 10th standard. They are the 10th standard students. Now their exams are going to start from 4th of March.
Student of the Year Award for the child exhibiting excellence in academics and extracurricular activities with positive demeanor. From class 10th, we have Karedia Munazza, daughter of Karedia Sufyan. Give her a huge round of applause.
Congratulations to all winners. We hope winning becomes a consistent habit for you all. Have a great future ahead and make us proud. Last but not the least, the most awaited movement is about our tiny tots who have achieved such success and will be promoted to standard first. So let's take this particular movement as the most memorable one by making them graduates. So hold on your breath. Here we have PP2 students for graduation ceremony. It will be followed by the national anthem. Two students has been awarded this diploma for performing well in the pre-primary section. There is an end to everything, but we believe that there is never an end, but always beginning. Thus, to conclude for today, I request you all to stand as we hear our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय